So we're here today in West Toronto and we're gonna take a tour of a home that was completely rebuilt and finished in the last year. The architecture and design of the home is absolutely beautiful. The property is currently listed for $5 million and is now available for sale. Let's go take a tour of the property. So walking up to the property, you can see that the design was inspired by modern architecture featuring clean lines, large window panels, and minimalist features of the exterior. So this property sits on a 76 by 120 foot lot. It features over 5,000 square feet of interior living space. It has a double car garage and it has over 18 rooms inside the house. Now let's go get this tour started. So entering into the home, the first room that we'll see is a foyer, and it features the entrance to the garage as well as 2 double door closets. Now, one thing you'll notice about this house is that everything is enlarged, from the entrance doors to the hallways to the closet doors, everything in between. And now we'll make our way into the next room, which is the living room. So let's go check it out. So now we'll make our way into the living room, and it's really one of my favorite areas inside the house because of this beautiful open ceiling, allowing for a 21-foot high ceiling and these massive floor-to-ceiling windows. They're really highly energy efficient as well. They're built with aluminum framing. They're insulated as well as provide lots of natural light in the summers to allow the home to naturally heat itself up, and stays insulated during the winter as well. And I will see in the living room this beautiful wood accent wall that has a mounted TV. It also has an integrated fireplace, and it really ties the entire house together. And now we'll make our way into the next room, which is the dining room. So now we're inside the dining room, and the space between the dining room and the living room covers 42 feet wide, and it's completely open, which allows for a great open concept feel. It allows you to naturally flow in between rooms such as the living room, dining room, as well as the kitchen. You also have views of the backyard. So there's lots of natural light coming into this space, and it's great for people who want to entertain inside the space. So now we're at the kitchen, and I really love this room because it shows all the attention to detail when it goes to the custom millwork and all the finishings inside the house. So first we'll see the double door fridge, which is integrated into the cabinetry. We have the built-in microwave. We have this cool gas range, and it has an automatic exhaust which comes out at the press of a button. And when you don't need to use it, you can put it back in. So that's the exhaust. And now you'll see all this built-in custom cabinetry as well. You'll see that the cabinetry up here matches the stone island here. And now I want to show you these doors here. So one of the best features about this is that they've allowed these doors to slide in to the space, which will save a lot of room when you're walking in and around this space and you have doors open. Just really well thought out design. And now we'll make our way into the backyard. And another feature I love about this house is they have these large window panels which allow light to come in from the backyard as well and provide sweeping views of the backyard space. So now we're at the backyard space, and this is really where you'll see the 76 by 120 foot lot really make a difference in this property. You have this massive open space in the backyard. You have the concrete slabs here, and they've redid the pool. They've made it into a modern design pool with a deep and shallow end. And you can see the exterior of the house with the wood paneling and aluminum framing. Absolutely beautiful, with minimalist features as well as modern architecture. So the main floor also features a powder room, and it's really cool that this powder room door is integrated into the rest of the wall, and it has a push open feature. It's really nice, provides to the minimalist features of the house and the architecture. They also have built-in closets here as well for additional storage. And we'll make our way now into the first bedroom, which is on the main floor. So now we'll make our way up to the second floor, and we're gonna go through this custom oak staircase that has integrated accent lights as well. So now we're on the second floor, and this floor features 4 bedrooms and has this beautiful seating area that has massive floor to ceiling windows, providing lots of natural light. What's interesting is they have a walkout on the second floor, which is pretty cool. All you'll need to do is just build a glass railing to make sure, you know, nobody's jumping off the second floor. But yeah, let's go check out the primary bedroom. It's absolutely beautiful with a massive ensuite. Okay, so now we're at the primary bedroom, and the primary bedroom features a walkout to the backyard on the second floor. There's a small terrace, and it also has a massive walk-in closet as well as an ensuite. Let's go take a look. So now we're inside the primary bedroom walk-in closet, and you'll see that it has custom closets with built-in drawers, as well as integrated closets as well to provide lots of additional storage. There's also overhead closet space here as well, and it flows into our next space, which is the master ensuite. Now we're inside the primary bedroom ensuite, and it features his and her sinks with integrated drawers. Again, this custom stone, which is beautiful. They have gold accent pieces. They have this beautiful standing shower with a custom drainage feature. They have this beautiful soaking tub, as well as a large window, providing lots of natural light and views to the backyard space as well. Another feature I like about this house is that the builder really thought about utilizing all the floor plan and space inside the house. They've also added additional space where there's seating, lounging, so they've really thought about the end user in mind and making sure that it's a really livable space for someone who buys this house. So the builders converted one of the bedrooms into a work from home space. There's also this built-in custom cabinetry that contains a laundry. The second floor washroom is a 4-piece with a standing shower. It's beautiful custom stone in there as well. And you see this room features this large window panel, allowing lots of natural light to come in, and it's just a nice area to get some work done or just hang out. So the other 2 bedrooms on this floor are right behind me, and one of these bedrooms here has a really cool ensuite which I want to showcase, so let's go check it out. So now inside this bedroom, we're gonna see that the ceiling is vaulted with integrated lights, but what I really want to show you is the ensuite. It's featured right here inside this integrated wall with this door. Almost feels like a secret compartment right inside your bedroom. So that was a tour of this $5 million house in West Toronto that's been completely rebuilt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos. As well, I want to give a big shout out to the listing agent, Frankly, for letting us tour this beautiful property. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.